Good morning, welcome to
MathPractice number 12.
No, not Minimath, Math Practice.
Math practice.
Math Practice number 12. Okay, more diagonals. Yesterday we talked about diagonals, and remember we said if we have sides, diagonals, something with 3 sides has how many diagonals?
0.
Something with 4 sides, how many diagonals did this have?
This had 1, 2.
2. Something with 5 sides. Let me erase so we keep it up high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many diagonals does this have?
So, we start systematically.
Yeah, do it systematically.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and I think that's it.
Okay, so now on this one they all have 2 coming out from each side. So how many total diagonals are there? It's a little harder to count this one,
Well,
but you can do it.
1 is 2, 4, 6, 10 divided by 2, which is 5.
5, that's right. Now why did you divide by 2?
Because I count each diagonal twice.
Oh, you counted each diagonal twice. So when you count this one, for example, when you're looking at the ones coming out of that point, and you count the ones coming out of that point, you counted this diagonal twice. Okay, let's see if we can figure out what it is for 6. 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So there should be 3 coming out of each. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. But wait, we're missing some. So these points only have 2.
Wait, which points only have 2?
This one, and this one only have 2.
Count real carefully. See, one of those has 3. Already. I mean, 2 of those you pointed out have 2. One has 3. Which one has 3 already?
I don't see any that have 3 already. Oh.
1, 2, 3. Okay, now the 2 that have 2, what does that mean? Which diagonal do you still have to draw? Oh yeah. Okay, awesome. So how many diagonals are there here?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 divided by 2 is 9.
9. Oh, very interesting. Okay, good job. So we noticed this was 0. This was 4 points times 1 divided by 2. This was 5 times 2 divided by 2. This is 6 times 3 divided by 2. So the next one's probably going to be 7 times what?
7 times...
Notice each side had 1 coming out, then
7.
2, or each point had 1 coming out, then 2 coming out, then 3 coming out.
So 7 times 4 divided by 2.
Okay, so that's 28 divided by 2, which is?
Which is 19.
No, not quite.
No.
28 divided by 2. What number times 2 is 28?
Times 2 is 20.
Are you not sure?
Yeah.
Not sure? Okay, well, let's see if we can figure out a different way. Let's see if we can see a pattern here. Where we go from 0 to 2, then to 5, then to 9, then to unknown. Do you see a pattern? 0, 2, 5, 9?
2, distance 2 here, distance 3 here, distance 4 here.
Ah, interesting. So you add here, you add 2, here you add 3, here you add 4, so you probably think you're going to add how much?
5 to 9, which is 14.
14. And what's 14 times 2?
14 times 2 is 28.
Hey, high five. Okay. Hey, so we found a neat pattern. This is what math is all about. Finding patterns. We found a neat pattern here, we found a neat pattern here. So we found a nice pattern for these numbers. Is that pretty fun? So now if I asked you about 10 sides, you could figure it out pretty quick just by either going down this pattern or using that pattern. That'd be really good. Okay, high fives for you. Good job this morning.